At this point, the 10th round is now finished. We're going to move on to the 11th round. Hook 3 single crochets and a reduction stitch in the first round. The reduction stitch is represented by the letters D, E, C. Hook a reduction stitch next. 3 single crochets have been hooked. Take a look at the crochet method for reducing stitches. The one needle is made up of 2 threads. The line near the thumb is called the outer half needle. The line near the middle finger is called the inner half needle. When you're hooking a reduction needle, you pick the 2 outer half stitches of the adjacent needles. Start with the outer half of the first needle and then pick the outer half of the next needle. Pick up the 2 wires. Bring the thread over 2 coils. Wrap the yarn and thread through the 2 coils. This is a reduction needle. The 2 needles have been merged into one needle. This is the crochet method of reducing stitches. Hook the second group. Hook 3 single crochets first. Hook a reduction needle. Take a closer look at the crochet method for reducing stitches. And complete the 11th lap. There was a decrease of 6 needles. There are a total of 24 stitches in the 11th round. Hook a decrease stitch in the last stitch. Let's take a look. The 11th round has now been finished. We're going to hook the 12th round. Hook 2 single crochets and a reduction stitch in the 12th round. Mark the first stitch. Hook 2 single crochets and a reduction stitch 6 times. There is a total of 18 stitches in the 12th round. Let's hook it up. The 12th round is now finished. Now that we've hooked until here, we're going to install the eyes. Pull this coil a little bit wider to prevent it from falling off. The eyes are installed between rows 6 and 7 and they are 5 stitches apart. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Install it into this line. Make a mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Install it into this line. 5 stitches spaced apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These two positions. Install them in these two locations. Now let's take a look. Let's start with this shiny gasket. Put it in here. The eye has a blue shimmering effect. Install it in this position. These two buttons are fastened from the back. That way, its eyes are installed. Hook the last circle of the head. The last step is the 13th lap. Hook a single crochet and a reduction stitch 6 times in the 13th round. Remember to mark the first stitch. Then hook the reduction stitch. There are a total of 12 stitches in the 13th round. Next up, the 14th lap. This is where we begin to crochet the body. The 13th round has been finished and we are going to start hooking the 14th round. Let's hook 12 additional stitches in the 14th round. There are a total of 24 stitches in the 14th round. There are a total of 12 stitches with a hook of an additional stitch in each stitch. The first group has been hooked up. So let's hook it. The 14th round is finished. Let's move on to the 15th round. There are a total of 24 stitches in the 15th round. Hook a single crochet in each stitch. The 15th round is finished. Hook the 16th round. Hook 2 single crochets and an additional stitch 8 times in the 16th round. There are a total of 32 stitches in the 16th round, so let's hook it up. Hook 2 additional crochets and an additional stitch 8 times. Follow this rule. Hook the whole circle. The 16th round is finished. There are a total of 4 circles from the 17th to the 20th circles. Hook 32 single crochets. Hook a single crochet in each stitch. Let's hook it that way. I will demonstrate the 17th round. The 18th, 19th, and 20th circle can be hooked on your own. Hook a single crochet in each stitch. Leave this thread at the back. hook it that way. Hide the thread behind it. The 17th round is now finished. So you're going to hook the 18th to 20th circles on your own.